ओम अज्ञानातिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपदान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरतिशै नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां श्रीजगन्नाथाय ते नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। पंचकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। So today special day, Lord Jagannath's Ratha Yatra, Gundicha Yatra. So we'll read from that chapter Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila, chapter 13, the Lord's dancing at Sri Ratha Yatra. जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कौन सा श्लोक लेना? 118 and 119. 119 is purport of Prabhupada, so board there is 119. Okay, one verse. यही मत गौर श्यामे दोहे ठेला ठेली, स्वर थे श्यामे रे राखे गौर महाबली। Word meaning, यही मत in this way, गौर श्यामे, Lord Jagannath and Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, दोहे between both of them, ठेला ठेली, competition of pushing forward, स्वर थे in his own car, श्याम रे Lord Jagannath, राखे keeps, गौर Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Mahabali greatly powerful. Translation and purport by Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. Thus there was a sort of competition between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Jagannath in seeing who would lead. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so strong that he made Lord Jagannath wait in his car. Purport. In his Anubhashya, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur describes the ecstasy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as follows. After giving up the company of the gopis in Vrindavan, Sri Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj, engaged in his pastimes at Dwaraka. When Krishna went to Kurukshetra with his brother and sister and others from Dwaraka, he again met the inhabitants of Vrindavan. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Radha Bhava Subalita, that is Krishna himself assuming the part of Srimati Radharani in order to understand Krishna. Lord Jagannath Dev is Krishna and Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Srimati Radharani, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is leading Lord Jagannath toward the Gundicha temple, corresponded to Srimati Radharani is leading Krishna toward Vrindavan. Srikshetra Jagannath Puri was taken as the kingdom of Dwaraka, the place where Krishna enjoys supreme opulence, but he was being led by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Vrindavan, the simple village where all the inhabitants are filled with ecstatic love for Krishna. Srikshetra is a place of Aishwarya Lila, just as Vrindavan is the place of Madhurya Lila. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's following at the rear of Ratha indicated that Lord Jagannath, Krishna, was forgetting the inhabitants of Vrindavan. Although Krishna neglected the inhabitants of Vrindavan, he could not forget them. Thus, in his opulent Ratha Yatra, he was returning to Vrindavan. In the role of Srimati Radharani, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was examining whether the Lord still remembered the inhabitants of Vrindavan. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell behind, the Ratha car, behind the Ratha car, Jagannath Dev, Krishna himself, understood the mind of Srimati Radharani. Therefore, Jagannath sometimes fell behind the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to indicate to Srimati Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that he had not forgotten. Thus, Lord Jagannath would stop the forward march of the Ratha and wait at a standstill. In this way, Lord Jagannath agreed that without the ecstasy of Srimati Radharani, he could not feel satisfied. While Jagannath was thus waiting, Gaura Sundar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in his ecstasy of Srimati Radharani, immediately came forward to Krishna. At such times, Lord Jagannath would proceed ahead very slowly. These competitive exchanges were all part of love affairs between Krishna and Srimati Radharani. In that competition between the Lord Chaitanya's ecstasy for Jagannath and Jagannath's ecstasy for Srimati Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu emerged successful. Hare Krishna. So, this is the sacred meaning of Ratha Yatra that is Prabhupada wrote here. That Lord Jagannath Puri is such a place where Lord Jagannath or Krishna, just we chanted this bhajan, Jai Gaura Sai Krishna Sai Jagannath. There is no difference. Gauranga Mahaprabhu is also Krishna. Jai Gaura Sai Krishna, Krishna is also Krishna, and Jagannath is also Krishna. But in our Gaudiya Parampara there is also no difference between Navadip, Vrindavan and also Jagannath Puri, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also performed in Antelila his pastimes there. He stayed about 18 years. So, and he disappeared in Jagannath Puri. So Jagannath Puri, though as Prabhupada wrote here, is Aishwarya Dham, is Dwarka Puri. But same time Jagannath is sitting here as Krishna in Jagannath Puri, and this is known as also Vipralambha Kshetra. Feelings, the two lords both are crying. Jagannath is Krishna, he is also crying, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also Krishna, he is crying. Why both are crying? For whom? Jagannath is crying for his Krishna, but feeling separation from Radharani. So he is crying, that Lakshmi is there. So Jagannath is crying for Krishna, he is Krishna crying for Radharani. When Krishna cries for Radharani, he is Jagannath. But Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu also Krishna, but he is taking the mood of Radharani. Radha Bhava Subalita Tanu, as Prabhupada wrote in purport. So he is Radharani, he is accepting the mood of Radharani. Radhaya Pranaya Madhuri Kidrisava Naiva Yeno Adbhuta Madhurima Kidrisava Madhya Sokhyam Chasya Madanu Bhavata Kidrisam Beti Lobha Iti Samadhya Samajani Sachi Garbha Sindhu Harindu. As Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami wrote his internal regions of his appearance. So he just appeared, Krishna appeared accepting the moods and bodily hue of Radharani, just to know what is the secret of Radharani's love for Krishna. So, how Radharani was feeling so much devotion for Krishna, what type of enjoyment she was experiencing. Unless someone is feeling something happiness, one should not engage in such activities. So in this way, and what is the sweetness within Krishna himself? That is Radharani is just Radharani herself was just enjoying that sweetness. So in this way, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Krishna, but taking the mood of Radharani, he is also crying for Krishna. When Krishna cries for Krishna, then he is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is Krishna, but he is crying for Krishna, accepting the mood of Radharani. And Jagannath is also Krishna, but he is crying for Radha. So anyhow, so Jagannath Puri is known as Vipralambha Kshetra. In Vaishnava Tantra it is told that Mathura Dwaraka Lila Jo Karoti Sa Gokule Nilachala Sthita Krishna Saeva Acharati Prabhu. There are three pastime places of Krishna: Mathura, Dwaraka and Gokul or Vrindavan. So he has to stay in different places same to experience this pastime. But if he wants to enjoy three pastimes in one place, then he appeared as Jagannath. So Jagannath Puri, there is also Mathura or Dwarka, and there is also Vrindavan. Everything is there. Where is Sundarachal, the main temple, there is Masivadi, this is the Gundicha temple, that is the Vrindavan. And where is the Dwarkapuri? The Prabhupada is writing this main temple, where Jagannath, main temple, and Jagannath is residing there, Lakshmi is cooking every day. Chappan Bhog, 56 items, 8 times Jagannath eat. So that is in opulence, he is accepting service, that is Dwarkapuri. Jagannath sitting there. And that is Dwarka, because that place is also called Mathura, where Jagannath, what is Mathura? Because Krishna appeared in that place. Jagannath also appeared in Puri, Krishna. And there is also Navadip Dham, specifically where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying, Gambhira. And Tota Gopinath, where Gadadhar Pandit is staying, so Damodar Goswami, the Gaura Parsad is staying, that area also known as Navadip. So all dhams are in Jagannath Puri. This is so only when Krishna feels separation from Krishna, when he is in where? When he is in Dwarkapuri or in that is in Nilachal Dham, Nilachal Khetra. So Mahaprabhu जय श्री श्री गौर निताय की जय, कृष्ण बलराम की जय, राधा श्याम सुंदर ललिता विशाखा की जय. So in this way, this Rath Yatra is Prabhupada is mentioning, this is from Nilachal to Sundarachal, from Sri Mandir, the main temple of Jagannath, to Gundicha temple. Gundicha, yesterday you have heard already who is Krishna Maharaj explained Gundicha, about Gundicha. Gundicha was the wife of Maharaj Indradimna. So the first function, because time is limited, I am just to go brief. In the Rath Yatra Mahotsav, first day, bring Jagannath from his Singhasan, in Nilachal Khetra, the main temple. He put him down and he is carrying him and coming, taking him up to the chariot. There are 3 chariots. Jagannath's chariot was Nandi Ghosa, Balaram's chariot is Taladhwaja, Subhadra chariot is and Devadalana. 3 chariots. And there's so Jagannath proceeds first to his chariot, Nandi Ghosa. First who come? First Balaram. Now each Pandi Vijay is going on in Puri. Is always continued. So first came Sudarshan, then Balaram, then Subhadra, then Jagannath in end. So this process is known as Pandu Vijay, or because it is known that there is a king in Dravida, in South India, now is Tamil Nadu. His name was Poundra Vijay or Pandya Vijay. And after that king's name, this festival is named after Pandu Vijay, Poundra Vijay or Pandu Vijay. Because in Odisha history we find there is Magadha, king of Magadha in Bihar, Ashoka. He invaded Odisha and then they kick out all the Hindu peoples there, that Buddhist peoples entered to the Jagannath temple. Then for many years Buddhists were staying there, and they are also accepting Jagannath as Buddhadev. Even now you go to inside Jagannath temple, in 10 incarnations in place of Buddhadev, there is Jagannath's statue is there. Anyhow, so that's why the Buddhist people, they think that Jagannath is their worshipable deity. They also worship Jagannath. They thought what is in the Brahma, the Navi Brahma that is in Navakalevar, they changed the Navi Brahma from the old body to new body. And Buddhist people thought this is This is a teeth. Even the many historians in India, in Odisha, they wrote, this is the teeth of Buddha Dev. They believe this Buddha Dev's teeth is there. So anyhow, so Buddhist peoples, but they stop Rath Yatra. Main thing, they stop Rath Yatra because Buddhists don't worship all these things and don't believe all these things. So that's why Poundra Vijay from South India, he came with his minister Deveswar, and Deveswar's son was one of the Vaishnava Acharya, Vishnu Swami. So anyhow, he came, the king came, and he defeated the Magadha Raj, then he took Odisha under him, then he again started this Jagannath Rath. First he do all the yajnas and all purification processes. The Jagannath temple needs some repairing for some time, so that's why he took the deity from Jagannath main temple to Gundicha temple. He kept Jagannath for some time in Gundicha. That's why he took Jagannath, Balaram, Subhadra out of the temple on this day. And that Rathatra, although this Rathatra was from Maharaj Indradimna's time, in Satya Yuga, about 15 crores, 34 lakh years, like Govinda Maharaj mentioned. So, that is in Sorochisha Manantara, third Manantara, now is seventh Manantara, is Vaivaswata Manantara. So, but this is first Rath Yatra was by Indradimna Maharaj, but many times the Rath Yatra stopped. Aurangzeb also stopped the Rath Yatra for 12 years, many times. But this time, this Poundra Vijay, he also, when Buddhist people stopped, he came and he took. So he brought Jagannath, Balaram, Subhadra, Maharani again. So this process of bringing, he also made chariots and he bring to Gundicha temple. So this Rath Yatra festival was again started by Poundra Vijay. After his name, this festival is Pahandi Vijay. He called Pandu Vijay. Pahandi Vijay, now it's called Pandu Vijay. So Jagannath, faster than in last Jagannath came and he was very slow, and the tight is on his waist, and very heavy rope. Right. No one can carry Jagannath. Like our deities we can carry, but Jagannath Puri, this is 7 feet. Heavy deity, cannot carry. So they put rope, and both sides there is pujaris, just taking Jagannath like this. They also play the music in that very nice music, special music. They even rebuke Jagannath. He speaks so many bad words for we are becoming so heavy or not going anyhow, because they are in different mellow. Their relation is different with Jagannath. Jagannath servants are not ordinary. Even we see in Chaitanya Charitamrita how Pandurik Vidyanidhi was slapped by Jagannath, Balaram themselves, because he was criticizing the pujaris. So anyhow, I am not describing those all. But Jagannath is so the puja, this, so he was coming, they taking the roof both sides, just take one pillow, they put big pillow, it's made of the cotton and the clothes. Then when Jagannath come to that place, they put Jagannath on that, then it immediately burst. Then they have to make another, they put another pillow in the next place. Jagannath has to go to that place. So in this way, they just bringing Jagannath up to the chariot. First, they also brought Balaram Subhadra like that. So, but in last, Jagannath came. There is one devotee from Delhi, from here, what maybe 100 and about 200-300 years before. The devotee was a great worshipper of Lord Jagannath. He was every years he visited to see this Rath Yatra, specifically this Pahandi Vijay. Very many people they like it. So Jagannath is just, you can see Jagannath face to face, very near. So that year the Mughal king that was the Muslim king, he told, you cannot go this year. I am giving some job for you. You have to stitch the clothes for my singhasan, for my seat, and I need also pillows, both side and back. So he engaged in their seva service, so he could not go. And he made this pillow. It was so costly for the emperor of India. This is Mughal king. So it's so costly cloth, and there's many jewels. There are gold, diamonds, and so many jewels were with this pillow. So when he was making the pillow, he told, this pillow is actually meant for my Jagannath, the Lord of the universe. How this such a person is he want to use this pillow? He was when thinking in this way, and he was meditating in the same time, Pandu Vijay at this time. Then he saw in meditation that they bringing Jagannath, and suddenly they put Jagannath in his seat, one pillow, then pillow was burst. Then he was searching for another pillow to put for Jagannath, they are not finding. So he was in meditation, he offered the pillow that he has made. He told, oh Jagannath, please accept this pillow. And when he opened his eyes, actually this pillow was disappeared. Jagannath accepted the pillow. He was happy that Jagannath accepted his service. But same time he was fearful for the emperor. So emperor, then the same time they come, the person from emperor, the Badshaha came, told, where is in Parameshti, the devotee's name was Parameshti, where is the pillow? Give your cushion and pillows for the Badshaha. He did not tell anything, he was crying. He took the seat and the cushion and one pillow, and there is no another pillow. Badshaha asked him, where is one pillow, where is other pillow? Then he told, Jagannath took. Who is Jagannath? I heard you Hindu people say some Jagannath deity in Odisha, in Puri. So how he is there? About 1800 kilometers from here, how he took pillow from such a great distance? I will give you death sentence if you so you chastise. He told, arrest him, put him in jail. They put him in jail. He was crying, he could not tell anything. Simply Jagannath. So in evening time, they held a fasting, then night, Badshaha was sleeping, Jagannath came in dream with a whip in his hand. He started whipping to the Badshaha. You rascal, you did not know? I am your Allah. I am the Lord of universe. Everything belongs to me. Isabhasyam idam sarvam. And why you are arresting my servant? Immediately you have to open him and accept him as your spiritual master. Otherwise, see me. From tomorrow morning I will destroy your whole family. Your empire, everything will be destroyed. So immediately the emperor wake up. Anyhow, because this is associated with his Pandi Vijay. So immediately emperor went himself and make him free, Parameshti, and he told yes. Then he accepted him spiritual master. Then a great procession he was circumambulated with him in a chariot and explaining to the people how Lord Jagannath chastised him, how he accepted Parameshti as his spiritual master. In this way there are so many stories about Lord Jagannath. So this Pahandi Vijay, then it's come, they took it up to Rath Yatra chariot, and then the Pujari, they took him into the Rath, and Jagannath, Balaram, Subhadra, Sudar, they all say, where is Sudarshan? Stay. Jagannath, Balaram, Subhadra, 3. Where is Sudarshan? Stay. Sudarshan with Subhadra in Rath Yatra. Where is Prabhupada in Jagannath Rath Yatra, the 3 chariots, in which chariot Prabhupada used to sit? Subhadra's chariot. Subhadra Maharani is Jogamaya. So anyhow, Subhadra, so in this way 3 chariots get ready. I am going brief. Detail is very, I cannot explain, no time. So when the chariot get ready, because this is Jagannath is going from Dwarka to where? Vrindavan, via Kurukshetra. When Jagannath come to the chariot and the main road, Jagannath sitting on chariot and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came with his associates. Then Mahaprabhu see Lord Jagannath in chariot and he thinks this is Kurukshetra. Mahaprabhu as Prabhupada explained, he is thinking this is Kurukshetra. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking himself as Radharani. And Jagannath is Krishna. So in that mood, he was happy because after just like Kurukshetra, the Brajavasis went for sun eclipse just recently. Sun eclipse. They sun eclipse, then lakhs of people went to Kurukshetra for having a bath in Brahma Sarovar and Samanta Panchak. The sacred places. So the Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, Maharani, along with the other Dwarkavasis, Prabhupada wrote, they came from Dwarka to Kurukshetra. And from the Brajavasis, under leadership of Nanda Maharaj, and they also went from Vrindavan to Kurukshetra. Some places mentioned that Krishna secretly gave the message, I am coming to Kurukshetra. Anyhow, Brajavasis, they went to Kurukshetra. So after 100 years separated, since Krishna left Vrindavan and now coming to Kurukshetra, the 100 years have been passed. So after 100 years of separation, then Radharani is seeing Krishna sitting in a chariot. Then the Brajavasis, they are not feeling very happy. They don't want to see Krishna as a king. In opulent dress, sitting in a chariot. There is horse, elephants, so many soldiers, they are accompanying, and so many peoples. They are also all dressed in a royal dress. Radharani did not like this. Radharani, that's why, wanted to bring back Jagannath Krishna to Vrindavan. That's why they just cut the ropes. Actually, there are chariots. There are horses there. They upon the horses, forceful. They are crying. They are so much intense love for Krishna. Even the Dwarkavasis, they cannot prohibit them. Krishna was also had to sing them, and tears also from Krishna's eyes. Balaram also crying. So no one could say, stop them. So they upon all the horses out. Then they put rasi, their ropes. Then they are just both sides. One side the coward boys, and another the coward girls, gopis, Gopa and Gopi. They started the rope, and they told Krishna, we will not allow you to return back again to where? Dwarka. No. We will take you to Vrindavan. Let's accompany us, follow us. Krishna cannot also tell. There is such a great, big conversation between Jagannath and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like Radharani and Krishna. Chaitanya Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explained very nicely here. There is no time to discuss here all. So, in this way, the Brajavasis and that those who are in Ratha Yatra, when they are pulling the chariot, they should think in that way. When we pulling the chariot means we are followers of Radharani, Nanda Maharaj, we are Brajavasis. The gopis, the Mata, they are gopis one side and coward boys one side. And they are pulling chariot, taking Jagannath to Krishna to Vrindavan. That's why I told, Mathura Dwaraka Lila Jo Karoti Jo Gokule Nilachala Sthita Krishna Swaiva Acharati Prabhu. Krishna staying in one place in Nilachal, he experiencing the 3 pastimes. The Dwarka, this is the Nilachal, Dwarka and Mathura and Vrindavan is where? In Gundicha temple. So he's taking, he has experienced both going Vrindavan. Jagannath is going to Vrindavan. So when the Rath Yatra, actually when the Pahandi Vijay finished, then what happened? Chera Pahara. The king come with a broom, with a golden broom in his hand. There are golden sticks those days. Now is only one stick is gold, and the other sticks are just there is the coconut sticks. So anyhow, so the broom, the king appeared. Then king started do chera pahara. They put scented waters and the rose waters and some scented waters, holy waters, and also they broom the whole area in front of Jagannath. So many sweet pastimes for chera pahara. It is called chera pahara. This how this Purushottam Dev second Kanchi Vijay about his part. That is not possible to explain here detail. Kanchi Vijay, how he was sweeping that particular Gajapati Raja, the king was sweeping the floor. Then he has already marriage was decided with the princess of Kanchipuram. And when the minister came that time, Rath Yatra time, then he saw this king is sweeping on the floor in front of lakhs of people. So he told he's Chandal. How we can give our princess to him? So he informed to the king, he told, no, stop. Then there was a fighting between Purushottam Dev and Kanchiraj. And how even Jagannath, Balaram, they themselves, they went in that war. King of Kanchi was defeated, and the worshipable lord of Kanchiraj was Ganesh. According to our principle, Vedic Karmakana, first the worshipable whom they worship first. But in front of Jagannath, no, Ganesh. Ganesh in the backside. The king put Ganesh, big Ganesh, he put in back of Jagannath temple. You cannot confront. Jagannath is there. Because Jagannath Ashtakam also telling. Kadachit kalindi tato vipina sangita karabo muda bhiri nari badana kamala swada madhupa Rama, Sambhu, Brahma, Amarapati, Ganesha archita pada. And Jagannath is worshipped by all of these demigods. No one can in front of Jagannath. Jagannath is Krishna himself. Bhuje sabbe venung shirasi sikhipuchang katitate dukulang netrante sahasara katakhyang vidadhate sada srimat Vrindavana vasati lila parichayo. Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu me. So that's why king did this. They sweep the area, they clean the area, Chera Pahara. Then everything got finished. They chanted also Jagannath Ashtakam before Jagannath Rath Yatra started. Now the principal is Shankaracharya, the present, where Shankaracharya they come and he chanted Jagannath. Then he Ashtakam, then he kept circumambulated in the chariot, then Rath Yatra started. But those days when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was there, Mahaprabhu was standing in front, then he not only was just experiencing his Radha Bhava, but he is also organizing a huge Kirtan party. So Mahaprabhu with the Bengali Vaishnavas, they are all there. So see that now Jagannath's chariot is about to just to go to Gundicha, then they organize a huge Sankirtan party. There is 7 Kirtan parties. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu organized 7 Kirtan parties. In the first Kirtan party, the leader was Swarup Damodar Goswami, because he was singing. Saita Parana Natha Painu, Jahalagi Madana Dahani Jhuri Genu, in mood of Radharani, let's sing. So anyhow, so Swarup Damodar Goswami in the first party, there is Swarup Damodar Goswami singing, and the principal dancer was Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya was today disappearance day of Swarup Damodar Goswami. Who is Swarup Damodar Goswami? Secretary of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Personal secretary of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This tradition is there. Mahaprabhu is one secretary and one servant, two servants, Govinda and Kasishwar. Later he gave up Kasishwar, come to Vrindavan. Anyhow, so Swarup Damodar Goswami is singing, and that the principle of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Kirtan was one is main singer and one is dancer, chief dancer. Everyone follow the singing of the chief singer and also dance like the main dancer was dancing. Swarup Damodar was singing, then the chief dancer was Advaita Acharya, and there is 4 or 5 people or 8 people they are singing, and there is 2 mridanga and many kartals like this. In second group, the second kirtan party, in the front, Jagannath front came first this part. Then there is 4 kirtan parties in front of Jagannath. 1 kirtan party in back side of Jagannath chariot, and 1 in the left side, 1 in right side. 7 kirtan parties like this. So second kirtan party, the leader singer was Srivas Thakur, incarnation of Narada Muni. He was singing, and who is the chief dancer? Nityananda Prabhu was dancing. Nityananda Prabhu was dancing there, and Srivas Thakur singing, Nityananda was dancing, and many other devotees. All names are mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. You can read. They are dancing, chanting, dancing. There are 2 mridanga, same thing. In every kirtan party there are 2 mridanga. The next party, there is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made leader. The main singer was Mukunda Datta, he was a nice singer. And in that kirtan party was dancing Namacharya, Haridas Thakur. That day he cannot chant. How many? 3 lakh. He had to dance. He was dancing all day. He was dancing. Namacharya Haridas Thakur was dancing. In third party. In the fourth kirtan party, there is Govinda Ghosh was leading and singing. Then dancer was Bakreshwar Pandit. Among the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Kirtaniyas, he is the chief dancer. Who? Bakreshwar. Once he starts his dancing, then go on dancing for 72 hours. 3 days and 3 nights goes. He don't need anything eating or drinking, nothing. He go and dance. So no one liked to lead Kirtan because he could not allow you to go. Sing. So Mahaprabhu himself sometimes sing for Bakreshwar. So he is in fourth party. He was a chief dancer. So in this 4 parties, in front of the Lord Jagannath, Kirtan party, 1 party in, and other 3 parties came. 1 came from Sikhand, 1 came from Santipur, 1 came from Kuliagram, Navadip. So they Raghunandan and Narahari in Sikhand, they organized the Kirtan party. Narahari is singing, Raghunandan dancing like that there. And Advaita Acharya's son Achyutananda brought a Kirtan party from Santipur. Achyutananda was singing, many dancers there, they chanting, dancing. And from Navadip, Kuliagram, the Satyaraj Khan, Ramachandra Satyaraj Khan, they organized party, they are singing, and also there is many dancers. In the 7 Kirtan parties, when there is 14 mridangas, same time when Mahaprabhu ordered, they started playing. Then Krishnadas Kaviraj is telling, the Vaishnava Sabha Haila Pagala. The Vaishnava devotees, they become mad. They listen to mridanga and kartal, there's music, and so everyone starts dancing. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Everyone is chanting and dancing. So like mad. So in this way the kirtan started. Before the chariot moving, kirtan, they started kirtan. But there is one wonderful thing was happened. In whole Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also expanded himself into 7 forms. He was in every kirtan party there is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Everyone's thinking, oh, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in our kirtan group. We are most fortunate. They are not seeing kirtan. He is also in other party. This secrets was opened for Prataprudra Dev. Prataprudra was on his palace, roof palace. There Kashi Mishra, Sarvam Bhattacharya, Ramananda Rai, they are also seeing the Rath Yatra there on the roof. So Prataparudra astonished how this one party, he is every Kirtan party, the 7 Kirtan party and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in every Kirtan party. Huh? He called Kashi Mishra, see what is happening. He told Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Ramananda Rai, this is the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You are able to see him everywhere in your Kirtan party, that Mahaprabhu was dancing, chanting and dancing. And in this way, the Rath Yatra started. 7 Kirtan party, they started dancing, and with huge Kirtan. They now also, the chariots move. First Balaram left for far away, then Subhadra, Maharani chariot with Sudarshan, and in the end, Jagannath is going. And Mahaprabhu is always with Jagannath, chanting, dancing in front of Jagannath. Sometimes he took whole Kirtan party to other chariots, then again come back to Jagannath. So, in this way they are moving, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started the Kirtan. Very nicely you want to read detail, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila 13th chapter you can do. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself wants to dance. Then he made all 7 parties in one. Then Swarup Damodar Goswami started dancing, singing, and Mahaprabhu himself started dancing. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started dancing. Then there is 3 circles. In first circle, Nityananda Prabhu himself was running behind Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because he sometimes fell down, just to pick him up. So Nityananda Prabhu himself, in one circle he is leading to protect Mahaprabhu. Second circle, there is his own servants, Kashishwar Pandit, Govinda. They lead another circle. They are also moving around. In third circle there is Prataparudra Dev, the king of Jagannath, he himself, with another group, trying to control the crowd. No one should come nearby. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing. And he explained his bodily color was changed. Sometimes it is yellow, sometimes red, sometimes even color of the Mallika flower, white. Mahaprabhu is showing the different ecstasy, Mahabhava. So he was dancing. So King of Prataparudra, he was astonished. In one side he was standing, and he was looking Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing. How Mahaprabhu dancing. Then Srivas Thakur also standing in front of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he also looking to the dancing. So the king's secretary, Harichandran, he was telling, hey Srivas, go little here, little side, little, then pushing. But Srivas Thakur in ecstasy, he was not in external consciousness. So he again and again pushing him. So he became angry. He did not know who is this, but he just looked back and slapped him heavily. Gave him one heavy slap. Then he was surprised. He was want to become angry. He want to speak something to him, but king himself, Prataparudra, stopped him. Put his hand on his mouth. He told, no, this slap should be on my cheek. He was so fortunate. He did not know who is that person. He is so close to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Srivas Thakur was incarnation of. So in this festival also there is. So we should not be angry. So someone give you slap. Rath Yatra, sometimes we also organize Rath Yatra in Mathura, all this day. So anyhow, so in this way, this this procession was going on. Some Mahaprabhu was dancing. That just he had telling. Sometimes Mahaprabhu left behind. Then Jagannath stopped his chariot. He wait for Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu come forward. Then Krishna it is telling him, but they talk within in their mind that I did not forget you. I am still remembering you. So in this way, this festival was in ecstatic way, it's proceeding forward and dancing, ecstatically dancing. One time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just fell down in the feet of Prataparudra. Then Prataparudra just touched his body and tried to pick him up, but that time Nityananda somehow other in other place, and all his servants, secretary, that is the arrangements of himself, Krishna. So when they went some different place, then king, but immediately Mahaprabhu came to the external consciousness. He told, I suppose the body of a materialistic person. Niskinchanasya Bhagavat, that there is Mahaprabhu which chanted the particular verse. Niskinchanasya Bhagavat Bhajana Mukhasya Paramparam Jigimisor Bhavasagarasya Sandarsanam Visainam Tatha Jositam Cha Hahanta Hanta Visavakyana Api Asadhu. So anyhow, I am not explaining every in detail. So in this way, but Pratap, the Saramadaga, others, they pacified king. Don't think. Already he saw his mercy. It is he himself. Because he want to show you mercy, he just fell down in front of you. But to teach others, he just telling externally, just telling like this. Internally he is very pleased with you. So anyhow, in this way Rath Yatra proceeded, is now also going on. Time is over. So Rath Yatra is going ahead. Then they come to Balagandi. That is place, according to Odisha history, before there was a river. There was a river and Jagannath crossed the river. Because you go to Vrindavan, there is Jamuna. You have to cross Jamuna, then to go to Vrindavan. So there is a river. Now it is disappeared. It's now everything. But so there is the tradition, because the chariot was stopped that place for some time. Then the people, the Gajapati and Raja and other, the whole over the lakhs of people, they also offer their food to Jagannath. They cook from their house. They bring so many people. Jagannath eat so much. So they offer to Jagannath. So Jagannath stay there about 1 hour. So that time Mahaprabhu also become feeling little time from taking his associates. He went to the Jagannath Vallabh garden, and here Mahaprabhu was just taking rest on a veranda. In that garden, that small cottage and garden, then taking permission from permission and advice from Sarvabhaumacharya, Ramananda Rai and others, Prataprudra entered to the farm, to that garden, and just pay obeisance to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and then he started massaging his feet. Then Ramananda Rai turned up him to chant Gopi Giti. So Prataprudra, they were chanting, Jayati, they started from Jayati te dhikam janmana braja. Mahaprabhu became very happy. Oh, who is this person? From where you come? Hey, you are making me drink the nectarian and the nectar, nectarian pastimes of Krishna. Go on. Then he started chanting, starting from Tava Katha Amitam Tapta Jiva. Starting from Jayati te dhikam janmana braja. Then when he reached in the 9th verse, Tava katha amritam tapta jivanam kavi bhiriditam kalmasapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhubhi Grinanti Je Bhurida Jana. Then Mahaprabhu told Bhurida Jana. He woke up. Mahaprabhu woke up immediately, embraced Prataprudra Deva. Because your pastimes, O Lord, they are nectarian. Tava katha amritam. Tapta jivan. There is for medicine for the conditioned souls. Those are suffering from 3 types of miseries: adhyatmik, adhibhautik, adhidaivik, klesha. And so in this, I am not going to explain it. Already time is over. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after hearing this song, then he embraced Prataprudra Dev, and also he saw him some opulences. Prataprudra could understand that this person is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He saw him his Narayana form. So in this way, who is Prataparudra? Prataparudra Devi is also Indra, incarnation of Indra. So in this way, Mahaprabhu also gave darshan to Prataparudra Dev. He gave his mercy. After some times, then again Rath Yatra starts, and Mahaprabhu proceeds with Kirtan party, with Rath Yatra, then they reach where? Gundicha temple. And there Rath Jagannath stay for 7 days. And it is explained in Kshetra Mahatmya. Ye darshan in Nilachal, in the main temple, what benefit or you get? But if you see Jagannath when he is in Sundarachal, in Gundicha temple, sitting on that Ratnabedi, that is Vrindavan, when you see Jagannath there, then it gave you thousands times more benefit. Here Jagannath gave Mukhya. In main temple he is sitting as Narayana, Gaurana, as Jagannath is sitting as Dwarakadhish, Mathuradhish. But there he is Krishna. He gave love of Godhead. So there Krishna. So Mahaprabhu only feels separation in here when Jagannath in Nilachal Kshetra. But when he in Gundicha Mandir, Mahaprabhu become very happy. Now I think I am in Vrindavan. He was chanting, dancing every day. He was Jagannath. So in this way, this is Gundicha Jatra. Today is day of Gundicha Jatra. Jagannath is proceeding with his brother Balaram and Subhadra and Sudarshan from Nilachal to Sundarachal, from main temple to Jagannath to Gundicha temple. So I stop here, Rath Yatra, because it is explained, is go hours and hours. So anyhow, so today is also disappearance day for Sivananda Sen, also Swarup Damodar Goswami. So Sivananda Sen, we do only one class. Sivananda Sen was a Grahastha and very rich person, one of the richest person in Bengal. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him this service to bring all the peoples from Bengal during Rath Yatra time to Jagannath Puri and bear their expenses. Whatever expenses, he was bearing everyone's expenses. So Kavi Kannapuri explained that my father was Bira Gopi. He is a Dutti, messenger of Radharani. He in Krishna pastimes and in Gauru pastimes he bringing the Gauru Parsads from Navadip to meet them, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri. And he has so many pastimes with Sivananda Sen, how he dog, he was brought a dog and so many pastimes. There will be one class. And Swarup Damodar Goswami was his personal secretary. He was in his previous ashram, his name was Purushottama Acharya. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, he became married. He also left Navadip, went to Banaras, and there also he took also Saraswati, Chaitanyananda Saraswati, one sannyas, from sannyas he took also sannyas. He learned all the Sanskrit, Brahkarana, everything in Banaras. Then he come to Jagannath Puri, and when he came, Mahaprabhu appointed him as his own personal secretary. So Damodar Goswami, whatever you write for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was secretary, so he edit, unless he check up everything, no, he cannot proceed to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Without his permission, he cannot go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Mahaprabhu was in Jagannath Puri, the 3.5 associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is most confidential. Swarup Damodar Goswami, Rai Ramanand, Sikhimaiti, sister of Sikhimaiti's sister, Madhavi Dasi, half. So this Sikhimaiti and his sister, Madhavi, the 3.5 sisters. So Swarup Damodar Goswami is very intimate associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Kavi Kannapur says he is Visakha Sakhi, but most of the Vaishnavas also think he is Lalita. So in this way, Swarup Damodar Goswami also many pastimes we can learn. Ramanandera Krishna Katha, Swarupera Gan, Biraha Vedana se Rakhe, Prabhura Paran. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when become feels intense separation from Krishna, then Swarup Damodar Goswami, he sings from Gita Govinda, from Krishna Karnamrita, from Vidyapati, Chandidasam, that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was here. He was very sweet, mellow. he is singing the songs for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So today is also his disappearance. We can give one class on Swarup Damodar Goswami and also one class from Shivananda Senai. I detail so many pastimes. So we stop here because time is over. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki